Review server warnings and cautions. Open the access door. Remove the top panel, optical disk drive, if installed, and hard disk drive carriers on the right side of the drive cage. If any PCI cards are installed, rotate the PCI holder down to release the PCI bracket. Remove all screws securing any PCI cards. Loosen the two captive T15 Torx thumb screws that secure the system board tray to the chassis. Carefully release the cables from the cable clips. Partially slide out the system board tray just enough to access the front panel cable. Disconnect the front panel cable from the system board. Release the front panel cable from the cable guides on the inside of the chassis. Press in on the tabs to release the health LED light pipe from the chassis. Remove the health LED from the health LED light pipe. Remove the T15 Torx screw that secures the control panel assembly to the top of the chassis. Slide the control panel assembly forward to free the release tab out from under its guides. Carefully feed the health LED and front panel cables up through the cable channel and out the cutout in the chassis. Remove the control panel assembly. Route the front panel and health LED cables through the cutout in the chassis. Guide the health LED and cable into its cable channel and route the health LED through the cutout in the front of the chassis. Slide the control panel assembly back to secure the release tab under its guides. Replace the T15 Torx screw to secure the control panel assembly to the top of the chassis. Insert the health LED into the health LED light pipe. Replace the health LED light pipe into the chassis. Reconnect the front panel cable to the system board. Reinsert the front panel cable into the cable guides on the inside of the chassis. Fully slide the system board tray into the chassis. Reinsert the cables into the cable clips. Tighten the two captive T15 Torx thumb screws to secure the system board tray to the chassis. If any PCI cards are installed, replace all screws securing any PCI cards. Rotate and snap in the PCI holder onto the back of the chassis.